Are there storms coming, Josh? What's going on over there, Josh?
Huh?
What's going on over there?
What's going on?
Are the sirens on?
Is there a storm coming?
Huh?
Is there a storm coming?
What's going on?
Come on here and let's look for lightning. You see any, Josh?
I see it.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? Look at all that lightning. I think there's a tornado coming.
I better go in.
You better go inside. Look at that tree blowing around.
I got climber.
Yeah, you hear the lightning? I can't see you very good. Come out here.
Huh?
Whoa, Joshua. Say, tornado, go away.
Tornado, go away. We're going fast. Whoa, it's going fast, Daddy.
Look at all those trees.
We're going inside, Daddy.
Should we?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
We're going, Daddy.
I'm coming.
Come on, close the garage door.
Hold the garage door, Daddy. Hold the garage door.